Hello once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Code with Imita. I will be doing with you guys for loops. As you may know, for loops, okay, a for loop is a type. We have different types of loops. We have for loop, we have while loop, we have do while, and we have for each. So a for loop is one of the types, and it is best in arrays. Okay, so a for loop a for loop has three conditions inside its parenthesis. We have what we call assignment, assigning your counter variable to a certain value, in this case 0. Then we have a condition. The condition is x is less than 5. Then the incrementation is adding 1 to the value of x every iteration. Perfect. So we have what we call sum. Okay, I'll create a variable called sum, which is equal to that. Then I will just do this. Perfect. So I want you to know something. That code number 14, is the same thing as this. Code number 14 is the same thing as this. My Wi-Fi is a bit lagging. Okay, perfect. So code number 14 and 15, they basically the same things. So I want us to come here and say sum. I want us to see the value of sum. Okay, and let's just change this to 1 in this case, and change this to that. Sorry. Okay, perfect. So let's see what the value of sum is. The value of sum is 15. So this is basic mathematics. I believe that looking at it like this from the IDE is not the best way to understand it. If you can just take a paper and a pen and just um, you know try to break the logic, you know try to break the logic, you will see why. Because at this view you'll think sum will be the value 5. I also once thought that, but um, it goes through a lot of arithmetic processes and stuff. Then the value 15 is the maximum value sum could be in this case. So this line is the same as this one. I want you to note that. Okay, so um, let's look at this guy. We have what we call incrementation. So in some cases, you may find out that you have to decrement. It's called decrementation. You assign the value x 5. Okay, then you say this should be it was initially less than, so it should be greater than or equal to that. Perfect. So now we will subtract 1 every time x is going to, or rather the loop is going to iterate. Okay, so if we can check, the value is still 15, sum is still 15. So we decremented every time the loop iterates 1. So initially x is 5. So every time the loop iterates, we are subtracting 1 from the value of x. So it still has the same logic, because you can see sum is still 15. And yeah, just play around for loops, create different programs, and yeah, And yeah, that's it for for loops for now, I believe. um I want us to fix this. Yeah, so that's it for for loops. You can also play around nested for loops, but I'll dwell into those when I'm doing arrays, second dimensional arrays to be exact. Thank you for your time. See you next time.